Important note, this video is not financial advice. Always do your own research before making any investment decision. Past performance does not guarantee future results. Here's your market briefing from Rumour with AI. Regulatory uncertainty in the digital asset space deepens as the Securities and Exchange Commission cancels its highly anticipated regulation crypto meeting. The postponement, attributed to scheduling conflicts, stalls the first major federal rulemaking effort for digital assets. This delay leaves the industry in limbo, waiting for legislative clarity that remains elusive. Investors are left parsing the void, watching how this regulatory pause impacts broader crypto sentiment and institutional adoption timelines. Meanwhile, the equity markets are digesting significant structural shifts. Reddit officially joins the S&P 500 on August 18, marking a pivotal moment for social media valuations. The inclusion is driven by a $30 billion market cap and, crucially, $530 million in net income that satisfies the index's GAAP profitability test. This move signals to passive fund flows that user-generated content and AI data assets hold tangible financial weight. The technical context suggests a rebalancing of tech sector dominance, with Reddit's entry potentially redirecting capital from legacy platforms toward newer, data-rich ecosystems. In the defense sector, geopolitical tensions are reshaping supply chains. President Trump has announced a 21-day tariff implementation on drone imports. This aggressive move aims to reduce foreign reliance on critical military technology. The policy directly impacts defense contractors like UMAC and AVAV, forcing a rapid reassessment of procurement strategies and cost structures. Stocks in this sector are now pricing in the immediate shock of higher import costs and the long-term imperative for domestic manufacturing capabilities. Corporate strategy is also undergoing dramatic pivots. TechPrecision reports robust growth, with Q1 revenue surging 23% to $9.1 million. The company outlines a $52 million backlog delivery schedule over the next 1 to 3 years. Despite these gains, TechPrecision maintains its FY 2027 guidance, signaling confidence in its Statco segment's expansion. Conversely, KULR Technology Group is exiting Bitcoin mining entirely. KULR is repaying $20 million in debt to pivot toward a new Texas facility, expected to be operational in Q3 2026. This strategic retreat from crypto mining highlights a broader industry trend of capital reallocation toward physical infrastructure and industrial applications. Looking ahead to today's release, the economic calendar remains notably quiet. There are no major high-impact releases in the next 36 hours. This absence of macro data means markets are trading on micronarratives and corporate fundamentals rather than broad economic indicators. Traders should expect volatility driven by sector-specific news rather than inflation or employment data. The lack of a central economic anchor allows these individual corporate stories to dominate the narrative flow. Investors must weigh the regulatory delays in crypto against the tangible earnings growth in tech and defense. The Reddit inclusion validates the AI data thesis, while the drone tariffs underscore the urgency of supply chain sovereignty. KULR's pivot further illustrates the shifting priorities within the technology sector. As the market digests these diverse developments, the absence of macro data leaves room for these specific narratives to drive price action. That's your market briefing. Follow Rumour with AI for daily market intelligence.